and coachings just like scam. One of the major reasons the second reason can be due to the third reason can be. But the question is that why students prefer to do coachings instead of preparing for the same examination from school? Schools are confined to the education policy of the country. There should be a mutual understanding between schools and coaching for this. Are schools and coachings just a scam? Well, it's a debatable topic, so let's discuss this today. But before that, please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support this video. Now let's start. So, how do we define schools? Well, there are multiple definitions of a school, but in a general sense, if I say school is just an institution which gives education regarding the education policies of the country related to the elementary education, I would say rather, okay. And what is then meant by coachings? Well, coachings are the education institutes which give education regarding a particular competitive examination. For example, if I talk about India, it's like IIT, JEE, NEET, and other sorts of competitive examination. And if I talk about after UG courses, then it's like GATE, IT, JAM, and other competitive examinations. So, what's the difference between both of them? Well, let's discuss that. So, the work of both institutes is same, is to give education, but I don't know why that they both act as rivals. Well, let's discuss some of the points to claim this idea, and let's remove this discrepancy. Well, this idea cannot be generalized because, of course, there are many institutes which support each other also. So it's not a general statement, but of course, it's like a common statement, I would argue. So let's discuss it point by point. One of the major reasons is the egoistic faculties. Basically, many faculties have ego that how can their student learn from someone else, and like that, it creates lots of what we can say is that it harms their ego. So that is why they prefer taking extra classes after school so that students cannot go to coachings, and that is all about the ego. It's not necessary thing to take extra classes after schools or something like that, okay. So probably it's the first reason is due to the egoistic faculties, we can say. The second reason can be due to the student itself, because many times faculties understand that if the student tries to manage both, then they would fail in both of them. So in that way also, faculties try to stop the student from going to coaching so that they can properly focus on one thing. So that can also be a reason, and these are all my opinions itself, so it's not a general statement, of course, right? And it's all based on the words of the students which I heard from everyone. So I made a report of it, and then I'm presenting it. And of course, it's not a general statement, it's just my opinions and students' opinions which I'm trying to tell you all right now, okay. So the third reason can be there's no faculty to support the student for any competitive examination, because they know that if they support the student and the student fails in his school examination also, then all blame will come on them. So that is why it's like faculties don't want to take the blames on them. So that is why. And of course, that's obvious. Why will anyone want to take that blame on themselves? So yeah, maybe that can be also a reason. But the question is that why students prefer going to coachings instead of preparing for the same examination from school? Well, it's again a debatable topic, so I should answer this one. Well, the main problem is that the schools are confined to the education policy of the country, so that is why their curriculum is a lot confined as compared to the competitive examination, because in that there's vast of syllabus to be covered in that, and of course which schools can't cover right now because of the education policies. So they have to follow that first of all, then only they can cover anything else. So that is why students prefer to go to coaching so that they can be acquainted with that particular course for that examination, for that competitive examination, so that they don't lag behind other students. So it's like the fear of the students that their 1 or 2 years will be wasted, or maybe more than 2 years will be wasted to crack that particular examination. So that is why they try to go to coaching also and school also together. So that is why it really exhausts them. That is another topic, but of course it's also a necessary thing also for students right now, because of course they can't waste much time in that, right? So for that they go to coachings, right? So of course there should be a mutual understanding between schools and coaching for this thing, because of course in that students can do nothing, because of course they have to crack their competitive examination, so they have to manage these things. And that thing, coachings and schools should have a mutual understanding. They should understand each other and the problems of students, right? So of course this is just a public opinion which I am saying, and it's like obvious also. So if you enjoyed this video, then please do like, share, subscribe my channel, and please support this video. Bye bye, take care.